What are you doing?
Go over the yellow.
Look at him go. Well, it ain't gonna come to you. What are you looking at, Aunt Braylee?
Where are you going? Oh boy. Oh, time for a break. Leg kick.
He said we came here to swim. What are you doing? Hello? Oh, making a turn.
Oh gosh.
There's a hole on the floor. Hello. You turn.
Pretty easy for you to stay on the floor, huh?
Stretch.
Oh great.
What are you doing?
Get that sound out.
Say, 'cause I'm a genius. Crack's hanging out like your daddy. Oh, goodness. I'm never going to make it. What do you see up there? Huh? Remind me not to get directions from you.
Where you going?
He says, I can see the wall. I'm going to climb up on it, and I'm going to slip and fall because my pants are too long and I don't have shoes on. Not me. What are you doing?